Sisi Abakasa Ghana, the biggest issue, the new curriculum, Yenyan say abayin pese whatever. Now, a lot of discussion has gone behind this new curriculum. Now, it's here for National Chief Imam Sheikh Sharibuntu and so at the insem abetu Johnson Abetu. Subscribe and click the notification bell no and no any that screen so to say. We understand latest news be about once Ebeka. I'm saying you pictures of the new curriculum no say in Kola as early as 6, 5, 4 years. You better almost say in Yamabia, you so say and yet. Na Ghana for bebre sorry 8 years and same way. Endra Emma Education Minister Eba Bonting Eba year press conference. Na in some wakan e was a year press conference dim no etie for Mema Mwaso ate. But yanko a year National Chief Imam in some wode atuja. National Chief Imam de wakano wase aban sa adie we ya aban epese wode ba no aban endrop no. Eye Dr. Osmanu Nuhu Sharibuntu wono na wode sansem we abetuja na sa curriculum ye friend comprehensive sexuality education na wo hwa sa comprehensive sexuality education yi ade a yesusu se UN na epese impose on Ghana for and some African countries because embra UN for wo mo ye imagine say wo mo dey this particular thing eba Europe no Europe for ankasa me hu video bi abobo hu say abrofo for ankasa esoriti asa ade we say enye se wo kire enkola bibi sei enye emboa etiefo na nkrofo kra esusu se sebe wo mo a wo mo ye sebe gay ne lesbianism ensem no wo mo na wo mo tasa nyama we echi se ye pese ye kire enkola no free enkola brem no wo mo ti ase se sa gay ne sa lesbianism ensem ne de ya ade a eye nti enkola ne hi a e wo mo trim no wo mo be hu se ade no sa gay ne lesbianism ensem no eye papa wate ase Inti no eno ene ensema nkrofo bebre aba bonten a wo mo ka na wo hwe letter eye chief imam ne nso de aba bonten otumi hu se saa de no ono nso ebo so se wono nso hu ne se it is that agenda ena nkrofo we wo mo pese wo mo ede to ye so na chief imam no de wo boss kra ye ne se chief imam ogina ho ema nkremufo na de wo boss kra ne se wo hwe nkremufo teachings wo hwe Quran dim and then all the books of a year in Kremufo, the Omu read the Womu teachings, Womu, and dear Womusiana, dear Womoka, and say, Sebi, Akola will be below 10 years, no, Sebi, and train sex education. That's what the Islamic teachings actually teach. And that's what the Islamic teachings tolerate. And then say, man, a year chief imam, what the two jar, was say Akola there after 10 years, not as a would 11 years, a whole qua. And then you say be na adwen no for me nti saa time no ene ye tro mo about sex education nti se mo pesa mo tren kola sex education kra na enya below 10 years senior yate ana yenya nti ye say saa comprehensive sexuality education yi in kola as early as 6 years kra ye be tro mo saa de we nti first na chief imam mo kan no se e bank mo sumu a in kola wo mundi 10 years like omo ye below 10 years de ye tro mo saa nyama no na we ye no na waka say wo state unequivocally not say wo mu si supi say the Islamic community no wo mu accept any form of educating minors not say Islamic community no wo mu mpene so say be ye be tren kola we sa nsem we na wo mu a wo susu ye mu no wo mu hu ne say this move no attempt and a hidden agenda from a year encrophobia wo mo pese wo mo tre nkola no gay and lesbianism nsem and then nsem a chief imam wo de atodwa na asema chief imam all kakra ne say wo say ideally wo hwa wo de at least mo pese mo ye bibisa na mo ma nkola ni nyin kakra na wo mo nyin kakra that's the time bro de be say they can assimilate everything not to say that's the time wo betumi atenya ase ye na nkola nketo ase wo kwotro mo bibisa wo say ende na chese wakoka chene mame say hey man they taught us this so let me open your ear so I see what the teacher tells akola 6 years so now wakofi akoka sanse mu ya chene mame because akola no hu ne say ya chene wo school into wakofi na tese wakoka chene papa say be ne papa yi ne be ma no won hwe because ya chene wo school ya chene say ne ya hye condom e wo school into ne papa hye won anim no hwe na ne papa ma ne condom no hye hwe I mean these are the things in kola so de ye nia ye nim say they are at that very age no wo mo ye broni be say they are very inquisitive wo mo be bisa wo be usa kola no de no be kwa asori na afei insem bia e dey say wo koka e wo Sunday school no na afei wo mo koka wa asori e ya de a chese ebe ha e ya de a ebe ha nkofo bebraye o mo age say wo mo de teacher bia sebe wo be tre ne mba sa ankwasi ade no mo no de emfa ne ho say aban ne se won tre obeko school mu ho akobu teacher no na nipa ba ko a waka sansem ne kra no eye efiaso asnega wono de wo de ababon tinka beka say wono de teacher bia wo nim wo be tre ne ba ne sa ade na ma ne ba be fie e be bisa ne nkwasi asem bia wo sansem ne ho a obeko school ha akobu teacher ne ma teacher na we hu say yes. Meanwhile, any teachers ne fall too. It is idea we can for can say be my teachers na any mpanyifo and our teachers na any awofo no bebre enya ntokwa. Be my teachers na awofo no bebre enya ntokwa. Meanwhile, teacher na enya the fault. Na yembra back to chief imam ensem na wodi tu dwa no wo wie ya na obo so say wo mo eje the ministry na GES for say assembly there sabe wo mo ntenase na wo mo friend crofo. Na broni be say broad consultation, they should have a broad consultation. Na wo mo ne se be wo mo a ade we be affect you mo no eye parents no eye teachers no students na nkasa wo mo ne o mo ntena se na yen hwe senia ade we ye be ye no because implement sa policy there eye very controversial. And then say my chief imam wo dey atudwa and then say my wo dey atudwa no wie ye no e na wo boss so said this thing no eye very satanic. Na say eye bonsam na hyase wo se agenda we ya wo mo de be eye bonsam na hyase na bonsam hyase se sebe wo ye na say Ghana senia ye broni be say cohesion peace ayebo senia Ghana Islamic people and eye Christians for and traditional ye ni aye tibom ba ko no bonsam hye ade we ya se wo ma cohesion no will destroy Ghana, the national cohesion and moral promotion. Not as I said, Ghana the eba morals there. Nkofujitum say Ghana your mind there your wowa your identity pa a shell. Into bonsam shenyama we as entity pa na obi anim e we ase afane ni na say Ghana your wo na entity pa ya the shell no bonsam sha ase say wo say sa de no ati ase eno ene nsema chief imam no wo de atudwa eno ne nsema wo de atudwa na sa comprehensive sexuality education ne there etiefo nsema ewom no enye easy o nsema ewom no enye easy na book bia na be read etiefo na ye say enkolan ketenkete as early as 5 years so ye che o mo se sebe wo mo ba no ye wo bibi wo ho a ye friend clitoris na ode wo ho kan aha etumima we ni je wo ho nti e bia wo be se wo ne be ma be da kra na wa betumi de wo ho akeka na te se wo ho asepe wo ho te se wo tren kola sa nyama we nia as early as 5 years old as early as 5 years ye betre almost a dey we na etiefo em say and the religious bodies are actually coming out to speak. It is something that Yabeka say MPP are buying bars no will be an indentia, but mostly no, most of the things that happen in the country, religious bodies no woman bar bonting embekasa to say senya yehun ye ewo eye mahama embrace no. Now this particular issue that who to me who say affect you more our mobile bonting ebe in some ebe tuja because first a religious body our mokasa the Catholic the bishops of Catholic, not just a Catholic for near said or my so for no or most of my bonting ebeka say one more any education minister Langasa Eshiaye and my education minister Neka says ansem way niano a embrophobia a UN and I won't pass a woman there do a better Ghana for so now one new education minister they won't share Emma and some way ember but one more better as I be in Yama way ebano or more rebel ho yes education minister no we throw montro. Indeed, this is the thing going on. Send me din kan no education minister no so ababonten den sem ya betuja asset the record straight. Na me de eno so be bro later na we hu ensem no de airco baby a enyama we nia e free. For that is obi anim say asem we any ana asem we ya asema nkrofo eka e wo Ghana se sei. Nti no Montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo tiefo. Montre mo adwen wo comment box ni mo. Na the latest news on this particular one there. Yeah, the bebre mo. Well, assemble there. Yeah, hwe emanisi. Me kai say Endra, madam fu bi asabe wono nso wa ya sofo. Endra, wo frame e na wakatem say, "Hey, information we there and assemble there, me find information ni ambre no." Na one penny one master be asofo no nso empene ema bibi say ensi e wo Ghana na we there a very satanic agenda. Montre mo adwen comment box mo tiefo me da say.